Welcome back. Today, I'm revealing how you can start making serious money online even as a student. Forget your part-time job. By the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint for financial freedom. We're diving into the top 3 ways to earn online in 2025. These aren't just side hustles, they're potential career launchers. I've researched the best methods and I'm giving them to you for free. If you've ever dreamed of paying off student loans or just having extra cash, you're in the right place. Smash that like button if you're ready to transform your financial future. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming up. Let's get into it. First up, freelancing. One of the most exciting and accessible ways to start making real money as a student or young adult. In today's digital world, the barriers to entry are lower than ever, and the opportunities are practically endless. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash on the side or dreaming of building a full-fledged business, freelancing is your ticket to financial independence and skill mastery. Think of freelancing as your ultimate cheat code for making money with skills you already have, or even skills you're just starting to develop. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience, just a willingness to learn, adapt, and put yourself out there. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are bustling marketplaces where your talents are in demand. Every day, thousands of clients are searching for people just like you to help them with projects big and small. From writing and graphic design to coding, video editing, and even voiceovers, there's a niche for everyone. Getting started is easier than you think. Start by creating a gig on Fiverr, offering a service like writing, graphic design, or even something unique like social media content creation or resume editing. Upload a few samples of your work, even if they're just personal projects or assignments you've done for school. Set a competitive price. Don't worry about charging a lot at first. The key is to over-deliver on your first few projects to get those crucial 5-star reviews. These reviews are your golden ticket to more clients and higher rates. Once you have a few glowing reviews under your belt, you can start raising your prices and watch your visibility soar. The more positive feedback you get, the more likely you are to appear at the top of search results, attracting even more clients. On Upwork, the process is a bit different but just as rewarding. Here, you'll bid on jobs posted by clients. The secret to standing out? Personalize your proposals. Don't just copy and paste a generic message. Show the client you've read their post and understand their needs. Address clients by name, mention specific details from their posts, and explain exactly how you can help them achieve their goals. This extra effort makes you memorable and dramatically increases your chances of landing the job. The range of skills in demand is staggering. Market research, web development, copywriting, data analysis, video editing, translation, and more. If you can do it on a computer, there's probably someone willing to pay for it. Even if you think you have no skills, you're probably wrong. Data entry, social media management, virtual assistants, and basic research are all valuable services. If you know how to use Google, write an email, or organize a spreadsheet, you're already ahead of the game. The best part? You don't need to dedicate your entire life to freelancing. Just 10 hours a week, maybe a couple of evenings or a weekend afternoon, can be enough to start making significant money within a few months. It's all about consistency and building your reputation over time. The beauty of freelancing is scalability. As you gain experience and build a client base, you can take on bigger projects, charge higher rates, and even start outsourcing work to others. Eventually, you could build a small team and manage projects, turning your solo hustle into a mini agency. Need inspiration? Check out top-rated sellers on these platforms. Study their profiles, see how they present their services, and learn from their success. Many of them started exactly where you are now. Here's a challenge. Track how much time you spend scrolling on your phone each day. Now imagine converting just half of that time into freelancing hours. Instead of mindlessly scrolling, you could be building a portfolio, connecting with clients, and growing your income. Don't underestimate your value. Your fresh perspective, creativity, and willingness to learn are massive advantages in the freelance world. Clients love working with motivated, energetic people who bring new ideas to the table. So here's your homework. Pick a skill, any skill you're interested in or already good at. Create a profile on Fiverr or Upwork and start your freelancing journey today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, just get started and learn as you go. Every project you complete builds your resume and accelerates your career. You'll gain real-world experience, develop a professional network, and learn how to manage your own business. All skills that will set you apart in any field. Remember the formula. Identify a skill, create a profile, set a low initial price, over-deliver, collect positive reviews, and then raise your prices as your reputation grows. It's a proven path to success. The opportunity is massive. The freelance economy is global, and you can work with clients from all over the world, right from your bedroom or favorite coffee shop. Claim your slice of the global market and see where your skills can take you. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's move on to the next method, which is even crazier and could open up even more doors for you. Content creation is the secret level that unlocks unlimited money. In today's digital world, anyone with a smartphone and an idea can build a brand, reach millions, and turn their creativity into a thriving business. The internet has leveled the playing field. No fancy degree or expensive equipment required. All you need is the drive to start and the willingness to learn as you go. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and blogging let you get paid to talk about your passions. Whether you love gaming, cooking, tech, or sharing your daily life, there's an audience out there waiting to connect with you. These platforms reward creativity, consistency, and authenticity, so you don't have to pretend to be someone you're not. On YouTube, find your niche and create content you love. Maybe you're passionate about reviewing gadgets, teaching math tricks, or sharing your fitness journey. The key is to focus on what excites you, because your enthusiasm will shine through and attract viewers who share your interests. Over time, you'll build a community that trusts your voice. Monetize through AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. As your channel grows, brands will want to work with you, and you can recommend products you genuinely love. Each video becomes a potential income stream, earning you money while you sleep. TikTok offers rapid growth. Create short, engaging content. The algorithm can push your videos to thousands, even millions of viewers overnight. Trends move fast, so experiment with different formats, sounds, and challenges to see what resonates. Don't be afraid to show your personality and have fun with it. Monetize through the Creator Fund, brand deals, and affiliate links. As your following grows, you'll unlock new ways to earn, like live gifts, exclusive content, and collaborations with other creators. The more value you provide, the more opportunities will come your way. Blogging is still powerful. Pick a niche and write helpful articles. If you love writing, share your expertise, experiences, or opinions. Well-written blogs can attract readers for years, bringing in steady traffic and income long after you hit publish. Monetize with ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. As your blog grows, you can even launch your own products or courses, turning your knowledge into a business. The possibilities are endless when you own your platform. Consistency is key. Commit to a schedule and stick to it. Success doesn't happen overnight, but showing up regularly builds trust with your audience and signals to algorithms that you're serious. Even if you start small, every post is a step forward. Don't worry about perfect gear. Focus on content quality. Your phone camera and free editing apps are enough to get started. What matters most is your message, your energy, and your willingness to improve with each upload. Your content is an asset, building your brand and income over time. Each video, post, or article is like a digital seed that can grow and pay off for months or years. Track your progress, celebrate small wins, and learn from your analytics. It takes time. Stay consistent even when it feels like no one is watching. Every creator starts with 0 followers. The difference between those who succeed and those who quit is persistence. Keep learning, keep improving, and trust the process. Document your journey. People love to follow a story. Share your wins, your struggles, and your growth. Authenticity builds connection, and your unique perspective is what sets you apart from everyone else online. Provide value, entertain, educate, or inspire your audience. The more you help or uplift others, the more your community will grow. Remember, every big creator started as a beginner. Your homework? Pick a platform, brainstorm content ideas, and post your first piece. Don't overthink it, just start. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Imagine a year from now, having an audience and making money from your passion. The journey won't be easy, but the rewards, freedom, creativity, and financial independence are worth it. It starts with that first post. Don't let fear stop you. The world is waiting for your voice, your story, and your ideas. Take action today, and you could be the next content creation millionaire. Online tutoring is the fastest way for students to make money, and and it's more accessible than ever before. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can turn your academic strengths into a steady stream of income, all from the comfort of your dorm room or even your favorite coffee shop. If you're already excelling in your classes, why not use that knowledge to help others? Many students struggle with subjects you find easy, and they're willing to pay for your expertise. Tutoring isn't just about teaching, it's about sharing your unique approach and study strategies, making complex topics simple for someone else. Online platforms like Chegg Tutors, Wizant, and Tutor.com make it simple to connect with students who need help. These sites handle the logistics so you can focus on teaching. You can set your own schedule, choose your subjects, and even select the students you want to work with. Tutors can earn anywhere from $20 to $60 an hour, sometimes even more for specialized subjects or test prep. That's significantly higher than most campus jobs or retail gigs, and you get paid quickly, often after each session. Want to go beyond one-on-one sessions? Build your own tutoring brand on social media, share tips, create short educational videos, or host live Quanda sessions. This not only attracts more clients, but also builds your reputation as a go-to expert in your field. Don't underestimate the power of old-school marketing. Post flyers around campus, libraries, or coffee shops. Engage in university Facebook groups or online forums where students look for help. Word of mouth spreads fast when you deliver results. Consider offering group sessions. You can help several students at once, making your time more efficient and your rates more affordable for each participant. Group tutoring is a win-win. You earn more per hour and students pay less individually. For passive income, create and sell digital study guides, cheat sheets, or practice quizzes. Once made, these resources can be sold over and over, even while you sleep. Students are always looking for high-quality, easy-to-understand materials. The beauty of online tutoring is that you're not limited by geography. Tutor students from around the world, learn about different education systems, and expand your own horizons. The global demand for English, math, and science tutors is huge. Specializing in standardized test prep, like the SAT, ACT, or GRE, can be especially lucrative. Parents are willing to invest in their child's future, and your expertise can make a real difference in their scores and college admissions. Package the knowledge you're gaining in class into resources others can use. Organize your notes, create summary sheets, or record explainer videos. These can become valuable assets for students who need extra help. Remember, you're not just earning money, you're making a real impact. Helping someone understand a tough concept or ace a test is incredibly rewarding. Your guidance can boost their confidence and academic performance. Ready to get started? Your homework is to identify your strongest subjects and draft a compelling tutoring ad. Highlight your experience, your approach, and what makes you different. Post your ad in university groups, share it on social media, or simply text your friends. The more people who know about your services, the faster you'll find clients. With online tutoring, you can start earning real money quickly, sometimes within days. It's flexible, rewarding, and a perfect fit for any student looking to make a difference while building valuable skills for the future. There you have it. The top 3 ways to start earning serious money online: freelancing, content creation, and online tutoring. These aren't just theories. This is a practical blueprint. Take action. Pick the method that excites you and start today. Let me know in the comments which path you're taking. Your comment might inspire someone else to take the leap. Thank you for watching. If you found value, like and subscribe. We're on a mission to help as many people as possible achieve financial freedom. Now go out there and make that money. See you in the next one.